Hello everyone, it's Dale here. If you've been following me for some time, then you know that I regularly do market analysis that I send you to your email. You can find those in this market analysis section on my website, trader-dale.com. And in this video, I'd like to do a little recap of the recent trades from the predictions that I made here. So let's go to the chart and let's talk about the trades based on those predictions I made there. So the first one is the euro dollar. You are looking at 30-minute chart of the euro dollar. This is prediction from Monday, where I was predicting a resistance level in here based on those volumes and this selling activity which followed after the heavy volumes were accumulated here. The price made pullback but didn't react as I thought it would. As you can see, if you look at this 30-minute time frame, the price just went past this level. Now, the way I was trading this was I actually skipped this trade. Let me show you why. Let me switch to 1-minute chart here. This is the level, the short level. And if you look at what happened before the price reached the level, let me zoom it in a bit. You can nicely see that on this 1-minute chart. Right here, this reaction, which occurred only 0.1 pip before that level. So because of this, I considered the level tested and I wasn't trading it. Right, because the level got tested a little bit sooner, just a 0.1 pip. So that's for this short on the euro dollar. One thing I wanted to show you here is some setup using the anchored VWAP. That's a setup which I was showing you at the recent webinar. In here we have a heavy volume zone from which a strong trend starts. So in the webinar I was showing you a setup where you anchor the VWAP to the start of the trend, which is starting after the heavy volume zone. So you anchor the VWAP here and you trade pullbacks. So this is the pullback, long from there. Very nice reaction. All right, so that's how the euro reacted to that anchor to VWAP setup. Now let me go over to the next trade. The next one was on the US dollar Japanese yen. So this is a 30-minute chart of the US dollar Japanese yen. This is also prediction from yesterday. And we had a long level here based on heavy volume zone. And there was a massive sell-off. Within just a couple of minutes, the price made this huge reversal. Now, the way I was trading it, I was trading this a little bit more aggressively because I placed my stop loss here below this place. So I took a loss there, but there was also another way where to place the stop loss. The way I teach it in my trading course is you want to place the stop loss behind heavy volume zone, right? But in this case, there was this heavy volume zone, but also you can look at it as this one huge heavy volume zone and place the stop behind that heavy volume zone and below this swing point. So if you are trading like this and let the trade breathe a bit, then it would be a very, very nice winner, very quick winner for you. If you are trading this aggressively as I was, then this was a losing trade. Now the next chart is on the Swiss franc. That's another prediction from the video from yesterday. This one hasn't been tested yet. It's a support based on those heavy volumes. Not tested yet, so hopefully the price will make a pullback and make a reaction there. So this level is still valid. So let's go to the next one. The next one is a prediction I made on the ES, which is futures on the Standard & Poor's Index 500. In here we have two levels. One was tested, the second hasn't been tested yet. The first level was based on those heavy volumes formed in here. So that was the support and this was the reaction to it. So this one was a winner. The second one is based on those volumes. So that's this level. this hasn't been tested yet. All right, so I'm still looking to take a long from this level. All right, so that's for the ES. The next one was on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. And here we had a heavy volume zone, and the level was based on that. Unfortunately, it got tested a little bit sooner. The closest reaction was this one, and that made me discard the level. So right now, even though the price finally hit the level, I'm not trading it because it has already been tested. Now the last one, that was on the Euro Swiss franc. This one was based on a trend setup on those volumes formed within a downtrend. So I was trading from here, from the beginning of that heavy volume zone, and this was the reaction. Spot on right here. All right, so those are the recent trades from the predictions I publicly made on the website. As you can see, it's always not so clear cut. Sometimes the level gets missed. Sometimes you really need to watch the 1 minute chart to notice that the level got missed. But overall, as you can see, the levels that I'm publishing here are working nicely. The price is reacting to them. So I hope that you guys are following those predictions I'm sending out on a regular basis. And if you're interested in trading with me every day and get your hands on my custom-made indicators that I use, then head over to my website. As I was saying, it is trader-dale.com, and if you click trading course and tools, then it'll take you to this page where you can browse my trading courses and custom-made indicators. Here is a brand new VWAP pack which will teach you everything about VWAP trading. If you are interested in volume profile trading, then the volume profile pack is the right pack for you. And if you are interested in day trading with order flow, then there's the order flow pack. There are videos, you can watch those videos, they'll show you everything more in detail. And if you want to get all three together for a massively discounted price, then just scroll down a bit, and in here you can purchase all the three packs together. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.